You gonna skateboard? Okay. You got your helmet on? Train, you hear it? Where is it? Where's the train? Becca, where is the train? Yeah? Okay, get on the board. Get on and go skate. Right there, Becca, get on it. Right there. The train's going bye-bye. Uh-huh. You found the train? Alright. Is it stuck? Oh my goodness. Do you need help? Mommy help you? No? Whoa! Mhm. Yucky?
Yeah. Yucky.
What's yucky?
Yucky.
What's yucky? Is it dirty?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's yucky.
It's yucky? Oh, bye-bye? Where are you going? Where are you going?
No.
Hmm? You can't reach it?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe Daddy can help us. Daddy? Becca can't reach the doorbell. Can you help us? Yeah. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can probably try to take it off and disconnect it if you want.
That's okay. Okay, Becca, watch out. Look out.